That first blast of cold air on a winter morning does more than just make you shiver. It's an environmental trigger, a signal that your body interprets with an ancient and immediate urgency. Before you've even consciously registered the temperature, a complex cascade of neurochemical events has already begun. It's a response far more potent than your morning coffee, a biological alarm system honed over millions of years of evolution. This isn't just about discomfort, it's about survival. The instant cold receptors in your skin fire. They send a message directly to your brain's hypothalamus. This acts like a mission control, immediately activating your sympathetic nervous system, the famous fight or flight response. Your adrenal glands are signaled to release a cocktail of hormones, most notably adrenaline and noradrenaline, into your bloodstream. Your heart rate increases, your pupils dilate, and blood vessels in your extremities constrict to keep your core warm. It's a system-wide state of readiness. While adrenaline courses through your body, noradrenaline, also known as norepinephrine, works directly within your brain as a powerful neurotransmitter. It floods areas like the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for attention, focus, and decision-making. This chemical effectively turns down the background noise in your brain and sharpens your cognitive function. It enhances your ability to filter out distractions and focus on the task at hand. This is the source of that feeling of crisp, clear-headedness you get in the cold. There is an even faster way to trigger this state of alert. Have you ever splashed cold water on your face to wake up? You are activating a specific and powerful shortcut, the trigeminal nerve. This massive cranial nerve has endings all over your face, especially around your nose and under your eyes, and it is exquisitely sensitive to cold. When chilled, it initiates the mammalian diving reflex, a primal circuit found in all air-breathing vertebrates. Your heart rate actually slows, but your peripheral blood vessels clamp down dramatically, shunting freshly oxygenated blood directly to your most critical organs, your heart, and, more importantly, your brain. Staying alert requires energy, and staying warm in the cold requires a massive amount of it. Your body's core temperature must be maintained within a very narrow window around 37 Celsius. To achieve this, the cold triggers a process called thermogenesis. Your body begins to generate its own heat, and it does so by revving up your metabolism. This isn't just shivering, it's a deep cellular process. Suddenly, your body is working harder, burning more fuel. And this elevated metabolic state contributes to a feeling of being switched on rather than lethargic. A key player in this heat production is a special type of fat called brown adipose tissue, or BAT. Unlike the white fat that stores energy, brown fat is designed to burn it. Under a microscope, you can see why. It's densely packed with mitochondria, the power plants of your cells, which are rich in iron, giving the tissue its characteristic brown color. When activated by cold, these mitochondria go into overdrive, breaking down glucose and fat molecules to produce heat directly, without having to make your muscles contract and shiver. It's your own personal high-efficiency furnace. This entire process explains the opposite phenomenon, why we feel sleepy when we're warm and cozy. Warmth signals safety and a lack of immediate environmental threats. Your body switches from the sympathetic fight or flight system to the parasympathetic rest and digest system. Blood vessels near your skin dilate in a process called vasodilation to release excess heat, which can cause a slight drop in blood pressure and lead to that comfortable, drowsy feeling. Your body is conserving energy because it perceives no danger. So the clarity you feel on a crisp walk isn't just a mood. It is the result of a precise and ancient biological blueprint. It's a full-body response that connects your skin, your nerves, your hormones, and even the type of fat you carry. It's a system designed to sharpen the mind and prepare the body when the environment becomes harsh. That feeling of alertness is an echo from a time when being cold meant you had to think faster, move quicker, and be acutely aware of your surroundings just to see the next sunrise.
Monotony has grown fast. Nearly 2,700 people have watched in the last few weeks, yet less than 0.03% are subscribed. It would mean a lot if you joined by hitting subscribe. And again, thanks for watching.